Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start the webinar, the Australian dollar bulls overnight regrouped in front of the 78 handle and managed to gain momentum and stage a significant advance to now challenge the resistance of 79.60. In light of the technical pattern, we do need to keep a very close watch on this level, as a break above there would give further concerns to possibly to a challenge of 80.20, which was the recent highs. Now that being said, we do have today the Australian employment change and also the unemployment rate at 11:30, which could in the short term trigger a bearish return and see the market fall towards immediate support of 78.90, and beneath there comes in at 78.30. So as I mentioned, the US dollar was a little bit weaker overnight. Now the Federal Reserve Monetary Policy meeting this morning stated that the policymakers agreed to a fall in longer term inflation expectations would be undesirable. In light of the pattern that we're seeing here from Euro, I do expect to see further weakness since the break of this uptrend. Now that being said, as long as we maintain under 117.80 figure, then I'm looking towards 117.40 with 116.80 to 116.25.35 as an objective. That being said though, if we break back above this uptrend, which is now resistance at the moment, then we could see above 118 figure, a rally onto 118.70.80 before the initial call to a bearish outlook. So do be a little bit cautious if you are trading from the negative side in case we do see a break. But from the technical implications, I do expect to see the gains return from overnight and see the market move initially towards that support. The dollar yen case clearly has rejected that 111.05.15 resistance, and from that the market is now looking towards the support of 109.75.80. A break beneath there would give further concerns to the bull case and may actually expose the next target of 108.95 or even lower to 108.30.35. So do be a little bit cautious if you are trading from the long side. However, that being said, the technicals are still slightly to the bullish case, so we could easily see a rejection from 109.75 and look back towards the top side with immediate resistance at 110.45 as minor and firmer above at 111.05.15. The pound is still weak and still expected to remain that way, with the target holding towards 128.50. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to an objective of 127.05.15. Any advance should now find resistance comfortably holding at 129.60.65. Surprisingly, gold rebounds off that uptrend at 1,266 and currently looking towards a challenge of 86 and higher to 91 or recent highs around 96. Do be a little bit cautious though, because the technicals are still swaying towards the negative case. Therefore, we could easily see another rejection from 1,296 and look back towards this uptrend that holds at 1,266 and reassess from there. The outlook for oil still remains negative and nearly at the target of $46.70. Now I expect to see further weakness and could actually see a move lower to around $45.50 a barrel. Any advance should find resistance still comfortably at 48.60.65. To finish off with silver, the market has rebounded comfortably from $16.50 and now looks to challenge the $17.20 resistance. It is viewed that caution still should be applied to the trade if you're from the long side, as we could see another rejection from that level and see a tumble back towards $16.50. However, above $17.20 would give further scope up towards $17.50 before any call to a negative outlook. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of us.